May praise be to Allah, who is the Lord creator of this universe. Peace and blessing be upon His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Most respected, esteemed audience, teachers, judges, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk about a serious issue that affects us all: narcotics. Narcotics are substances that alter the brain chemistry, leading to addiction, health problem, and even death. The use of narcotics is a global problem that affects people of all ages, background, and socio-economic statuses. According to the United Nations, over 35 million people worldwide suffer from drugs use disorder. The narcotics not only harm the individual but also have a devastating impact on family and society as a whole. They lead to crime, violence and corruption, and undermine economic development and social cohesion. The root causes of narcotics addiction are complex and multifaceted. They include poverty, lack of education, unemployment, and mental health issues. However, the solution lies in addressing these underlying support to those affected and combat trafficking and organized crime. Government and civil society and individuals must work together to prevent narcotics addiction. Treatment, support to those affected, and combat trafficking and organized crime. We must also recognize the importance of education and awareness in preventing narcotics addiction. By educating young people about the dangers of narcotics addiction, we can help them make informed choices, avoid the risk associated with narcotics use. My dear friends, drugs abuse is not just a personal problem. It is a social disease, a moral crisis, and a national threat. Every day, thousands of young people about the dangers narcotics addiction. Not because they are bad, but because they are misled, pressured, or simply of the consequences. Now, I should take leave of you. Thank you for your patience. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.